Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see the best Palworld server hosting in 2024. If you're looking for reliable, customizable server hosting for games like Palworld, that host has you covered. It can tailor your gaming experience to your needs with easy-to-configure options. Play worry-free knowing your server is safeguarded against attacks, and you can enjoy high-performance hardware like smooth gameplay and near 100% uptime, powered by cutting-edge server infrastructure. So that host makes hosting seamless, secure, and optimized for gamers. Take your gaming experience to the next level with that host because it is the best server hosting for Palworld and other gaming experiences. Let me know if you'd like this adapted, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.